I would crash out so hard. Like last time. Bro, the loading times are so short. We're close to motel. So there's a spawn on 330. I see someone. No. Bro, the box, it looked like a person. It was just a box up there. Yeah.
That's a tick player.
Bro. Bro. Wait, is that player? Yo, thermal coming at us, 110. I think I knocked him. Yeah.
Drop
I
them
knocked
on, drop them
another
on.
one. I knocked the thermal 110.
Target eliminated.
Trace also killed one. Where's my knock at? He's right here. He cased already. He had a self-res encased. But he had a self-res. Yeah. But he had another self-res. You gotta be kidding. I don't know. I don't think it's safe, by the way.
That's my kill. Oh, nice.
They already killed people. They already killed some people. Watch out. So it's 4? Did we kill 4? I'm casing. Ooh, stack of 6-1s, let's go. He gave me a stack of 6-1s. I mean, I cannot complain about the loot. Ooh, wow. This guy is so stacked, bro. Yeah, he had a self-res, bro. He had another self-res. Crazy. Yeah, you sound like an Indian. No hate. No hate, no hate. Yeah, but you... yeah. Okay, did I get everything? I can get everything. What? Yeah, I didn't... My friend got cased for this guy, because he had 2 self-reses, bro. He had 2 self-reses. Yeah. Wait for trace, okay. This guy gave me a stack of 6-1s.
It was a sellable Marshall piece of armor plus bunch of red.
Should I not sell the T6 I get?
No, don't sell them. Use them.
Okay.
I keep all T6.
Oh shit. Quick. I don't know. Fucking empty. Let's go then. I wanna go up here. Come follow me. Where? I'm flanking. Oh, I hear him. He's dead.
I think so. No idea.
He wasn't knocked, by the way. I don't know where his teammates went. Dead. Another one dead.
Nice.
He was casing it. Yeah, he was casing it. What? Oh, I'm getting shot at.
Where?
Oh shit.
Hey.
Oi.
From where?
Oh, he missed my chest. Where am I?
From like what direction though?
Where the fuck are we? Like this way.
Alright.
I'm behind.
I try to kill him. I hit him.
Kill him?
Oh, I hit him a lot. He's exactly.
Did you even kill him, bro?
He's limping. He has no leg. I'm dead. Wow. He's laying in the grass, bro. Up on the hill. He has no PK on. Right there.
Is he dead?
He's dead. Yeah. Wow, bro. I thought I fucking killed him. He's laying in the grass. GG. Fucking AX50, man. I'm gonna go get the thermal I killed. Forward. Keep going. Go to like towards the extract.
Because he is in thermal.
Go. Keep going. Behind that rock. Right there. Thermal. Huh? I don't know, I just tried to get that sniper kill. Fuck me. Oh my gosh. He was thermal too. Yo, he has thermal.
Alright, bet. Hey, someone cover me, please.
He has thermal. Wow!
Yo, that nigga was full T6, M995 thermal. He had a thermal kit on, but no T7 on, so. Yeah. Yeah, the new suppressor, that's 9K.
Wait, search the guy's name if we killed you and see if he's still in there.
Yeah, it's really sick. Won't let me fucking figure my back the fuck out, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
He's still on game.
Oh.
Yep, be careful.
Come on, bro. What do you want to do then, since like... I was near the edge check. I was like right here. I didn't get shot, so... Oh, on me. I'm dead. So weird, bro. Nice, bro, nice. You're so weird.
Y'all gonna go to sleep after this?
Weird. Yes, teammates, I'm here. Ow. I thought you took. Oh, I thought you took Menaces. Okay. Yeah. I had 2 A's guard, bro. It's hard. Just have to die, little rats. Well, I got a thermal, so that's me.
That's 9, you gotta go sleep. You don't have anyone else to invite. That's 9.
We spawned them. They're gonna be right across. Right across. Might be a team like right across over here. Watch out. Also, there is teams pushing from behind over here. Market. Yes. From oh my god. Ahmed, you. Help him, bro. It was op supply, so they're all op supply thermal. What the hell? Okay. I wonder what that was, by the way, because I headshot him clearly. Come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, okay. Okay, but there is one guy with up supply thermal, so you're at least getting 1 thermal if you kill two of those. Get away from here, because he can nade you through a window. You're stuck here. 1 grenade, you're dead. Jump across. Yeah.
Check the other guy. He had my stuff, I guess. Thermal still might be there.
God damn, bro. Oh my god, bro. That's okay. At least we tried. Really?
GG's, mate. Was
I
a
have
nice
to
try.
this guy.